Pet parents know that their pup is worth every hair tumbleweed and chewed shoe that they must deal with to have the precious pooch in their lives. However, who wouldn't want an even smoother interaction with man's best friend? Below are dog care hacks to prove once and for all that owning a dog in this era of genius ideas and gadgets has never been easier. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Dog crates to improve pet and people sanity. Crates, when used correctly, can be an extremely important tool. They can help you with potty training, keeping your pup from chewing power cords and other dangerous things when you can't watch them, and can give your dog a safe place to go to take a break from too much activity. Teach your young children to leave the dog alone if he retreats to his crate. Crates are also great to take with you to give your dog a point of reference if you travel, as they will feel safer in a car, plane, or hotel room if they already see that crate as their familiar den. It's easy to train a dog to love his crate, especially if you feed him in it. Make it comfortable with soft bedding and keep it open in a quiet area of the house, so the dog can utilize it when needed. Number 2. DIY pet treats and pill pockets. There are plenty of DIY dog treats recipes out there for those who like to show their pooch a little loving from the oven. But if you have a pet that needs daily medication and you don't want to spend money on store-bought pill pockets, you can make your own with a simple pill pocket recipe. Depending on the size of your pill, you can also use frozen blackberries or blueberries if you want to give your pet another healthy, antioxidant-rich alternative. Just run the berry under the water to thaw and push the pill in. Remember, not all berries are good for your dog to eat. Number 3. Smart pet doors. Let in only furry family. Do you ever like a doorman for your pet? Have you thought about a pet door, but are worried that a ravaging raccoon may wander in it? Then get a pet door that only unlocks for your fur kid. These wondrous passageways are only unlocked by a signal from your pet's collar. This way, your pooch has full access to your house and yard, and you have peace of mind knowing that no masked bandits are entering your home. Number 4. Use a Dremel for a puppy petty. Trimming back your four-legged friend's nails is an essential part of your dog care. Some dogs hate the feeling of regular nail clippers, as they can put pressure on the nail quick and cause discomfort. With a bit of patience, you can train many dogs to accept a Dremel. The Dremel bit does not put pressure on the nail quick like regular dog clippers. Many dogs, once trained to accept the sound and feel a Dremel, prefer it to regular clippers. Just remember to trim back longer hair that is around the paw so that it doesn't get caught in the tool. Also, use the sanding drum and constantly put your finger on it to check it when it's not moving to make sure it's not building up too much heat, like in this instructional video. This toe tool can then help you create a spa day with your best friend and easily sand your dog's nails down for the perfect petty. Number 5. Chicken and rice works wonders for the upset puppy tummy. Vets have recommended it for years. If your dog suffers from digestive troubles and you've cleared him of the more serious health issues with your vet, you can help soothe his tummy with a base chicken and rice home-cooked meal. Number 6. Bitter apple for problem chewers. If your dog is chewing you out at a house and home, bitter apple is a safe alternative to deter your pet from taking the next bite. It tastes pretty potent to dogs, but it's also perfectly safe for them to ingest, unlike your power cord. Number 7. Baking soda and vinegar remove urine smell. Soak up the urine with a paper towel. Spray the stain with a mixture of half vinegar and half baking soda solution and let it soak in for 10 minutes. Then absorb the excess moisture with a paper towel. Sprinkle the spot with baking soda and let it dry. Just keep pets away, as baking soda is toxic to dogs. Once dry, vacuum it up. Remember, dogs will eliminate where they smell their previous markings, so it's very important to deodorize as well as clean to prevent repeat accidents. Number 8. Freeze attachable water bowls in crate when traveling, so your pet won't spill. If you fly with your dog in a crate under the plane, make sure to fill the attachable water bowl with water and put it in the freezer the night before your flight. Take it out right before you leave. the water will slowly melt and not spill in transit. This way, the water won't splash out during the hassle of getting on the plane and wet their bedding. Your pet will also have plenty to drink on the long flight, and the ice will keep them cooler in case the temperature is a bit warm on your travel day. If you don't have a recall word, try drama. If your dog pets lose and they haven't learned a word that brings them back to you, they may still respond to some clever acting. Whatever you do, don't chase after them. They are probably faster than you. However, if you fall down and pretend to be hurt, they may run back to check on you. You can also run away from them calling happily in an excited voice. Dogs naturally chase things that run away from them. Then, when they catch you, you've actually caught them. Number 10. For puppy kissable breath. If your dog suffers from bad breath but doesn't enjoy the toothbrushing experience, you can put dog toothpaste on the lint brush and have your dog lick it off. Much of the bacteria that causes that foul smell is on the tongue. Another trick is to add parsley to their food. It's full of good vitamins and naturally eliminates stinky breath. Number 11. Lost dog tip. First, you should exhaust all other options to find your dog, such as putting up your poster, posting ads online and in the paper, checking animal shelters, and personally searching. However, if you have some idea where your dog was last seen, leave something that smells like you, such as a used article of clothing with some food and water. Leave a note asking people not to take the items. Leave your phone number on the note so that people can call you if they see your dog staying in that spot. Then, keep checking that location. If your dog is still nearby, he will be drawn to your scent as well as the food and water. Your pooch is a source of a lot of joy and a lot of work. These creative dog owner life hacks will make your life so much easier.